Some bafethu, I hope all you good. Yazi bafethu into eyenzekele MT ibuhlungu kakhulu, yabo. It's very painful. And sometimes bafethu as people we need to grow up. You understand? If umuntu wesifazane akakufuni. Yabo? If umuntu wesifazane akakufuni. And magma wethu umuntu wesifazane asakufuni. And uzobona ngezenzo. And I feel like MT you arrogant kakhulu. It will mean sometimes you must accept lose in order to gain. You understand? Manje ubuyele ejele because but break one of the laws or one of the things mesibekiwe ukuthi angazibreak wasibreaka yena. You understand? So today we're behind the bar. You understand? Because of what? Of lento memelthi ukwazile ukuyiziba zangayizibi. Because MT already mesitholile ibail waphuma. Number 2, wathola ucherry. You understand? And manje yini manje mesimphoqela ukuthi manje makenze into azenzayo for ukuthi manje azibuyisele back to lapho mephume khona ngebail. You understand? As a machita we need bafethu ukuthi nibe focused. Because if umuntu wesifazane asakufuni angenze noma yini for ukudestroy. Omunye umuntu uzothamba ke ufuna ubona ingane yakhe. Guys, if it takes ukuthi ingane zakho ungaziboni is fine. Sofika isikhathi lapho kumele uzibone khona. Ingane sizokhula ezozenzela decisions zazo. Even umntana ukhona mos. Is gonna make sure ukuthi like uphi justice as a human being. In this world like noba kwenzakalani abantu bakushita kanjani but justice uzoyithola at the end. You understand? Not the justice le system yethu. I'm talking about the justice mina eqiniso mina. There is justice as long as sizokhona umdali la emhlabeni asizilethanga sonke. Asizilethanga la emhlabeni. Ukhona umdali. You understand? Now unezidalwa zakini ezihamba nawe. You gonna get justice. Kunezinye izimpo amelanga uzilwele wena. Allow umdala kulwele. Allow idala zakini zokulwele. You understand? Because amntana she knew ukuthi vele makenza lento akayenza uzomfaka egibeni ukwitrap. And he fall for that shit. You understand? Umuntu esifazane bafethu ulungile ngcolile. Ayijiki. And ngeke umchange umuntu esifazane ongcolile noma sewuthanda. Noma ungamithisa 1,000 of kids ohleze engcolile njalo. Just namajita sifuna ufunda kabuhlungu, sifuna ufunda ngepain. You understand?
We are never going to see MT again. It is over for MT. He might as well be brain dead.
You sound happy.
As soon as he goes to Sun City, I'm not happy. Yeah. He was happy when I was in prison. I'm not a crackhead. I can come out.
Can you protect him then?
Why would I want to do that?
Why wouldn't you do that?
Why would I? Is he my son? I don't have kids, remember? I didn't make kids, remember? Exactly. Hold on. When you make kids, you take care of them. I didn't make him. So his father must take care of him. Mm-hmm. So at the end of the day, that's not a rehab center, dog. People are thinking that MT is going there to sit down, dog. That is hell on earth. Okay? It is hell on actual earth.
Yeah.
There's nothing worse than waking up in prison. It's your worst nightmare and it's real. You understand?
As much as notice it ngeke saphuma, I don't believe in that. Uzophuma MT uzobuya. You understand? But uzimoshela isikhathi like is delaying process yakho mfowethu. Is delaying process yakhe. Ayikho into ebuhlungu nje ubona umfowethu bafethu engena kancane in darkness. Kancane in darkness. Asento grand leyo. Asento grand leyo bafethu. Before the shebe shit now is MT. Bafethu maseke nithatha ama culture Western culture what. That thing is not good. A jail is not made for human being. That place is not good. It can build you, it can destroy you, that place. We need bafethu ukukhula. Sisuke kwizinto esizibona ukuthi zosidestroya. You understand? Because bafethu if thina zamajita sizinakekile, there's no one gonna take care for yourself, bro. Lo mhlaba lo yonke into enzakalayo you're on your own. You understand? especially if you're a man, especially if you're a man. If uyisebenzisi le in this world uzokugwinya lo mhlaba mfana, uzokugwinya lo mhlaba lo. Decision oyithathayo is very important. Choice oyithathayo is very important. And if uthiwa into ungayenzi, if uhlala 1,000 meters away from this woman, stay 1,000 meters from this woman. Ungamcontact, musumcontacta, ungakhulumi ngaye, musukhuluma ngaye. Yini into ezokwenza ukuthi manje ugijimisa umuntu athi ngumdali? Umdali ukhona mos, if maybe your filters will go through a lot, talk with umdali. Umdali ukhona. Understand? As a man, indoda strong, indoda mfethu connected to umdali, indoda connected to izidalwa zayo, indoda connected to iroots zayo. That's a strong man. You must have a foundation as a man. If you don't have a foundation as a man, that's a problem. Umhlaba uzokugwinya mfana. Because the system we won't like fight for men. System thina la ngetrechurch thina trechela abafazi nezingane. And kumele siku-accept lokho. Thina we own our own. Thina sinomdali, sinezidalwa. You understand? That is what we are men, not women, not kids, not children. Understand? So into ayenzile uMthiba fethu wenze bad decision. You understand? Bad decision, bad choice. That's why I like one today. I'm judging for it. Who I am to judge? I'm not God. I'm not a creator. I'm not judging. Just saying yasho ukuthi lento le uyibonile isizwe mfowethu. But he ignored just because he thinks maybe amamengane angeke ayenze lonto. Uyenzile ke manje. Uyenzile ke manje. Sad bafethu. And like my biggest wish now ukuthi la ekhona that place immolde, imbuilde, ingamdestroy, because that guy is very talented. That guy like has inspired a lot. Even me, I was going through a lot in my fucking life. Since way back 2017, 2018, 2019, I was listening to that kind of music. You understand? So into ayenzile ngiyithandanga, and into ayenzile I feel like it dumb. Ufollow trap obvious. Because we bonile iphetini kwaseqaleni umfowethu. But he didn't listen. You understand? He got a warning. Mfethu mawuthole warning mfethu suka lapho. Suka lapho uthole warning suka. I wish mfethu akhule la ekhona, I realize amaphutha akhe aphume alungisa impilo yakhe, because bafesi jail is not for people, it's for animals. If he gets it out kancane bafethu.